I'm going to show you a real world use case of how FitApp can be incredibly useful. I had a client check in, and based upon her request, I suggested that we create a new workout program to achieve some of her performance goals. Now, we're going to simply go over to workout program, create new program, create with AI. First thing we're going to do is I'm going to input some of her injury details. I got this from her initial questionnaire because her injuries are still persistent to some degree. So shoulder pain, wrist, some knee problems, lower back pain. Fantastic. Now, she also requested that we use we keep some exercises which she enjoys. So we're going to put that in a little bit. We're going to training style. We're going to do whatever you recommend. I like the AI to analyze the program goals along with the injury profile and limitations and then decide the best way to achieve the goal because it is brilliant at doing that. We're going to nominate the training days and rest days. Now here, we're simply going to type in goals. So this is going to be a intermediate level female hypertrophy program. Now wanting to focus on upper and glutes because she does. I'm going to put that down here. We're going to also say we want to include the following exercises where appropriate. So we're going to get the exercises she requested to keep, bring them over, paste them in there. Fantastic. Now, exercises unable to do anything that will irritate the injuries, but also deadlifts, direct chest movements, unsupported / free weight squats. Some of these are preference. I don't like to program deadlifts or unsupported / free weight squats because we can get more bang for our buck by using machine variants. So focus overall, and then training phase 2. Fantastic. Now we can see the readiness. So it's got all the details required. We're going to simply click collaborate with AI, and then Co-Create is going to start building this with us. Now, the fantastic thing about Co-Create is it builds it alongside you. So it is going to go day by day with you. So you can see the exercise selection, you can see the methodology, and you can also see the reasoning behind why it has done what it has done with the information which you have provided. The more proficient a coach is and the better you are at prompting and inputting client information, the better and more personalized result that you will get. From here, you're also going to be able to edit it to your heart's desire. Mid-generation. We're going to throw a Zen in. Fantastic. So Monday, again, we've got some ankle issues. So we've got an ankle mobility drill. We've also got some hip stretches, some abduction. Fantastic. And again, right here, you can see the exercise which she had requested we keep in. We've got it. Boom. And because it's a preferential exercise and because of the exercise and the workout layout, it has decided it would be best to have first up. If we want to see the reasoning behind it, we can have a look here, built around the client's explicit request, as you can see. So this is when people say programming with AI cannot be personalized, they could not be further from the truth. This first sentence literally is about a personalized request. Anyway, moving on, we're going to build Tuesday because we are quite happy with this. Again, if we look down here, we can adjust all this. So these are all the advanced rules we want. We've got sets, reps, rest, whatever it may be. We've got it all there. Fantastic. We're going to close that. So Tuesday is building out. Obviously, Monday is being a lower body day. Perfect. Here we go. This is a upper body day, avoiding all direct chest movement and any pressing / loading that stresses the unstable shoulder. Again, fantastic. It is hyper personalized. We're going to have a look over at the exercise selection. Fantastic. We've got rows first. And actually a note. Client wants to focus on achieving pull-ups. Program accordingly for Tuesday. Perfect. So we'll put that request in. So then it is going to change Tuesday based upon this because I forgot to put this request in previously. So we're going to see it's going to start to, if it deems it appropriate, change Tuesday to have exercises in there that will help us achieve pull-up proficiency. So again, it's fantastic. It's thinking over that because it's going to analyze the entire day to see if there's any restructuring required. Perfect. Assisted pull-up machine, lat pull down. Again, these movement patterns have been prioritized because of the request. So again, people say AI isn't personalized. That is a reflection on the coach's inability to interpret the goal and then explain that or put that into words, because AI has the world's best resources and the world's best education at its fingertips, and it is going to be utilized by coaches that are proficient at using the English language. So again, we're going to have a look over this, hip press. So that is our lower day. Fantastic. We're going to go build this day. And again, third session for the week, Monday, hit hinge squat pattern, legs plus glutes, and Tuesday, vertical pull. So Wednesday shifts to horizontal upper push. Again, it's fantastic. It's just absolutely brilliant. And we are going to, boom, here we go, hip press, lat pull down. We are going to build Saturday. And we can see, obviously, some implementation of leg movements spread throughout the week. And that's because we have an emphasis on wanting glute development. So we've got them sprinkled in so we are able to increase volume without focusing or centering an entire workout around that where it's not appropriate. And there you can see, again, we've got a split between lower, and upper. And this is brilliant. And I know the client is going to love this. And the reason why it is programmed this way is because I left it up to the AI's interpretation. And then should I want to edit anything, we can. So let's just say here, let's go Wednesday, remove any leg movements. Perfect. I don't want to do leg press on that particular day. There you go. We are changing this day. We've got leg press. We're going to have that removed momentarily, and then it will completely alter the workout to suit that request. And just like that, in about 5 minutes, we have created a hyper-personalized workout program that I know the client is going to love, that is built around the client's preferences, requests. It is hyper-personalized, and it's going to be able to program smarter and faster than you can. And look, we don't like it. Open an editor. We pull up our editor, and then we can go through it and we can change whatever we want. We can pull this down again, advanced settings, boom, published, workout is saved. That workout is now ready for us to send to the individual. It is that simple. It is that easy. It is that capable of personalizing things. And the thing is, AI isn't here to take your job, but it will take those who do not adopt it, because the coaches that can leverage this and utilize this understand that they are able to get their clients better results when they've dropped the ego and they understand tools like this are not only here to stay, but they are more efficient than them. And when paired with an educated coach that has a high level of experience, you can create infinitely better programs. So if you want access to this, simply head over to fitapp.io. We are free. You can get started. You can see it for yourself.